I've been falling for you knee deep.
Hi guys, welcome to the Kenoti's Haven. Another month, another reason to shop. Atakama economy iko in the pit. Lazima we do this. So on today's video, we'll be showing you some few things that we got for our mid-month shopping. Although tumeona we did the last shopping we did ya nyama, it was on January, so it's like quarterly. And then some vegetables, and I have everything here. And let's get into it. So I'll be doing this video and packing my meat in my freezer, okay? So first things first, we have this mutura that we got from KMC. Normally we get our meat from KMC ile iko pale China Square. So this one, we have 4 of them. And so these muturas zinagona 310 shillings, okay? And tumechukua na spicy na non-spicy. Kama umeshaikula hii mutura, you know how legit it is. I'm telling you, ukichukua hii mutura, you will love it, okay? And as you can see, shopping bado ya last time, which was in January, bado ijaisha. Hata kama kuna tudengu, you worry not. Lazima we survive. So we still have some things left. And yeah. So like I said, 310. And we got 4 of them. Hizi zitatulast. Craving ya mtura to hit. We are sorted. Also, we got this stripe. This stripe go at 285 per kg, and we got 3 kgs. So easy, we are going to package them. And so I'm going to put them here. We will repackage them na 500 grams zenye zinatutosha. We usually repackage into halves. Ndio ile siku tu tunakula ni kuchukua tukitoa. Then we have this, I think in brisket, and no, it's meat on bone. It was going for 685. We got 2 kgs. Ata easy tuta repackage into halves and we'll be set. Also, we got these ones. There is minced meat. This one iko a bit expensive compared to your Farmer's Choice. Your Farmer's Choice inaenda na 590. This one is going at 875. Let me confirm that. Yeah, 875. And then tumechukua za burgers. We usually make our burgers at home. If you've not watched that video, what are you doing with your life? So we have that too. Actually, I'm not going to put that because we're going to repackage the minced meat. And now we have this one too. This one is supposed to be brisket, going for 685. Brisket ni nyama yenye haina mfupa mingi. Okay, we'll be repackaging that into halves, like half a kg. And for Farmer's Choice, that's what for KMC, that's what we got. So for the second batch, hizi ni za Farmer's Choice. Usually tuna shopping both Farmer's Choice na bado KMC to get the best deals. Also unaweza enda Farmer's Choice ukose some things, unaweza enda KMC, likely kukosa vitu, but tunapenda vitu za Farmer's Choice pia. So we got meatballs. Hizi zinago na 225. We got 3 of them. We usually do these spicy sausages. We got these ones too. Hizi zinaendanga na around 600 bob. Zinakwanga mali legit. We got these ones. These are smokies. They go for around 420 something. We also got pork fillet. These ones goes at 995. Ni fillet, so haina bone, which makes it a very good choice. We also got this capon. It was going for around 600 bob. Ni 1.4 kgs. Na bado tuko na stock ya last time ya kingine kamoja. Like I said guys, hizi zitatu last some few months. Hii ni minced meat ya Farmer's Choice, goes at 590. Inakuanga really nice. And we got these ones too. For these days, hizi ni frozen chips. For those days that you don't want to fry chip, or you know how tedious it can get. Hizi zina go na around 270 bob. Na zinakuanga poa sana na ni tamu. Kwanza if you deep fry them. So we got two. Hizi tulikuwa tushamaliza stock. Zinakuanga legit sana. And then hizi pork ribs which were going for at around 900-ish hapo. Inakuanga more than 2 kgs ama around 2 kgs. Zinakuanga tamu sana. Guys, I should do more videos za kupika, but now that's it. The next thing that I'm gonna show you is our monthly, our like mid-month restock your groceries. These ones we get them from directly from the market. Last time we did some Juja market. Now this time tulibai vitu zetu Ruiru because we happen to be in Ruiru a lot. So here are my things. So for the hohos, easy colored capsicum, hizi ni 350, and then for the green ones ni 3 mbao. Okay, there is mandizi kama kawa kama dawa. Kuna meloni, we have our tomatoes, apples, avocados, danias, and then we have greens. These are spinach and terere and managu. A lot. So guys, that's the end of our mid-month shopping. For the groceries, will be sorted until the end of the month. For the meat, some few more months, maybe 3, and that's it guys. I hope that you're gonna try all these plugs that we've given you. Try KMC, try Farmer's Choice. Also go to your local markets. You'll be sure to get quality stuff. So for the meat, I'm going to leave receipts hapa, and you'll see what we got, and then maybe you can order the same when you go there. Okay, so I hope that you've enjoyed this video, and I'll be seeing you on the next one. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.